Good morning, students. You are most welcome in this session. Today I am going to solve mathematics of class 6. Okay, it is chapter 5, exercise 5a. Okay, in the last class I have taught you about the fraction, what is the fraction, and what are the types of the fraction. Okay, so now let's recall it. What is the fraction first? So, the fraction is a number which can be written in the form of a by b, where b should not equal to 0. Okay, so that is the fraction. Example 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 to 6, 5 by 6. These are the fractions. And the type of fraction also I have taught you: like fraction, unlike fraction, mixed fraction, okay, equivalent fraction. All types of fractions I have discussed in the previous class. Okay, so first you will revise the chapter, and then after you will solve the exercises, that is exercise 5e. Today we are going to learn how will you how will you find the sum of the fractions. Okay, different fractions with different denominators and different numerators, and the same denominator or same numerators. Okay, so here given some examples I have taken of exercise 5e. Okay, now let's start. So the fraction given 5 upon 8 and another is 1 upon 8. So how will you add that one? First you have to add the first you have to find the LCM of the denominators. At in rough you will find the LCM of the denominators. What would be the LCM? 8 and 8. If the same numbers are given, then if 8 and 8 given, then the LCM would be 8. Okay, okay, if you have dot, then you can find by 2 and 2, again 2 and 2, that is 1 and 1, that is 2 to the 4 to the 8. The LCM will be 8. The LCM is 8. So draw a line, and with the denominator you have to write the 8. As the denominator you have to write the 8. Okay, 8 is the LCM. 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8 is the LCM. Now with the denominator you have to divide first, and the how many times? 8 divided by 8, you will get 1, and with the 1 you have to multiply here by 5. 1 multiply 5, that would be 5, and now plus again 8 divided by 8, you will get 1, and 1 multiply by 1, you will get 1 into 1, 1. Now add all that. 5 1 6 upon 8, also 6 upon 8, that can be cut by 2. 2 3 ja, 2 4 ja, 3 upon 4 would be the answer. Okay, with same process you have to solve here 6th number. First draw line, and now take the LCM of the denominators 15 and 20. That should be divisible by the same number with 2. This one is divided, but this one we can't divide by 2. So by 3 also we can't divide 20, and now by 5 we can do 5 3 ja and 5 4 ja. Okay, now the LCM 5 into 3 into 4, 5 3 ja 15, and into 4 60. So this 60, the LCM you will write here as a denominator, and now divide 15 and 60 would be divided by 15, divide 4 times. 4 with 4 you have to multiply this one. 4 4 is 16, right here 16, and a plus, this symbol plus, and again divide 20 by 20, you will get 3. 3 times 23 is 60. 3 multiply this one by 3, 17, 3 is 51. Now add both number. 6 plus 1 7, 5 plus 1 6. Okay, now you look at numerator is greater than denominator, and the rule says that denominator should be always equal. Okay, always greater than numerator. So when you divide, you will get 60 by 60. One time it will cut, 7 will be the remainder. So write 1 and the remainder, and then divisor. 1 is to 7 by 60. That would be answer. Okay. Now this is the rough work. Here mixed fraction given. First change into improper fraction. 3 you know already. How will you change? Again 3 multiply 3, 9, and that you have to add. 3 is 9 plus 2, 11 upon 3. Okay. Now here again multiply. 6 1 is 6, and that one you have to do the plus. 6 1 is 6 plus 5, 11 upon 6, and that is plus 2. Okay. Now take the LCM. Draw line. 2, there is nothing. You can write 1 as a denominator. Okay. Now 3 and 6 and 1. 3 6 1. The LCM. Find out the LCM. By 3 you can divide. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is and 1. 3 2 is 6. 3 into 2, 6. 6 is the LCM. Okay. Now the process, you have to divide by 3. Divide 3 2 is 6, 2, and multiply with the numerator. 2 into 11, that is 22, and again by 6. When you divide by 6, okay, 6 divided by 6, you will get 1. 1 into 11, that is 11, and now 1 divided 6 is divided by 1, 6, and 6 to the 12. Now add all the numbers, 20, 11 and 12. Okay. So 2 plus 1 3 plus 2 5, and 1 2 and 2 4, 45 upon 6. And now here the numerator is greater than denominator. You have to divide. So now divide. 7 times, that is 42. 42 and the remainder is 3, and that is divided 6. So 7 is to 3 upon 6. Okay. Also 3 by 3 you can cut that one. So 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is. It means 7 is to 1 upon 2 would be the answer. Okay. Now similar you have to do the 50 number question. There is nothing. You can write 1 as a denominator. Okay. Now 2 upon 1, 3 upon 4, and that is 8 1 is 8, and plus 5. 8 plus 5, 13 upon 8, and 16 into 3. 48 plus 7, 55 upon that is 16. Okay, now take your work. Take the LCM of 4, 8 and 16. 4, 8 and 16, the LCM would be 16. How? The rule says read the table of the 16. If the greatest number 16 is the greatest number, 4, 8 and 16. 16 is the greatest number. If the smallest number in the are the factors of 16 by 4. 4 4 is 16. Also 8 8 2 is 16. Both in table of 4 and 8 16 is available. So 16 will be the LCM. Okay. Now again, if the factors of smallest number is 16, so the 16 will be the LCM. Okay. Or if you have got then final. Okay, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja, 2 8 ja. Again 2 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 2 4 ja. Again by 2 2 1 ja 2 and 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16. Okay, so 16 would be the answer. LCM. Okay, now divide by 1. When you divide by 16, you will get 16. 16 into 2, 32. And 4 by 4, 4 times 4 into 3, 12. And by 8, 2 times 8 to the 16, 2 into 13, 26. And again by 16 divided, 16 is divided by 16, 1 is the 1 will the dividend. So that is 1 into 15, 55. 1 into 55, that will be 55. Okay, now add units. 5 plus 6, 11 plus 2, 13 plus 2, 13 plus 2, 15. And 1 is, we have 1 plus 5, 6 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 plus 3, 12. This is, the numerator is greater than denominator, so you have to divide 16 by 16, divide that way. Okay, so how many times? 16 7 jar. Okay, 112. 112, and that is 13 would be the remainder, and by 16 7 jar 112 plus 13 125 upon 16. This is the answer. Okay, similar you can do the rest question. There are many questions given. Okay, now I solve the word problems. I have taken 18 number question. So question says, while coming back home from his school, Kishan covered 4:3/4 kilometer by rickshaw and 1:1/2 kilometer on foot. What is the distance of his house from the school? Okay. So there is some distance from his school to home. Okay, there is some distance. So he covered some distance up to here. That is 4:3/4 kilometer by rickshaw. foot 1:1/2 kilometer. Okay, from school to home by rickshaw 4:3/4 kilometer, and on foot 1:1/2 kilometer. Okay, so you have to find the total distance from home to the school. Okay, what is the total distance? So if we add both number, then we can get the total distance from home to the school. Okay, now we start. This is word problem, so you have to write in word something. In word you have to write since. This symbol stands for since. Okay, since the distance covered by rickshaw equal to 4:3/4 kilometer, and the distance covered by on foot that is 1:1/2 kilometer. So therefore this stands for therefore the total distance equal to 4:3/4 kilometer plus 1:1/2 kilometer. First work, change into improper fraction. 4 4 is 16 plus 3, 16 plus 3 19/4 plus that is kilometer. So 2 into 1 2 and plus 1 3/2. Okay, now you work, take the LCM 4 and 2. Okay, because 2 2 is the factor of 4, so you can write the 4 would be the LCM. So by 4 we divide by 4. No, 4 is divided by 4. You will get 1 into 19, that is 19. Okay, and by 2 we divide the 4 number, so you will get 2 into 2 4. So with the 2 you have to multiply 3. 2 into 3 6. Okay, 19 plus 6, that is 25. 25/4. Okay, numerator is greater than denominator, so you have to divide. 4 6 are 24, and 1 is the remainder, and 4 is the divisor. Okay, so that is 6:1/4 kilometer. So this is the answer. Okay, with same process you have to do all the questions whatever given in the exercise 5e. Okay, so now we see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.